dream, like you have the dream to become the best, you have the dream to get the first position wherever you go in the seminar, you go in the meeting or somewhere, you want to be the first. So don't take the dream of becoming first. Take the dream that you will work harder than anybody else who's working hard right now. Because if you're just taking the dreams of buying a car, maybe you won't be able to do that. But if you take the dream of working hard to get a car, then definitely you will get that. If you're just dreaming that I'll do the top in the examination, that won't happen, man. If you are working hard, you are studying hard to just get the top position in your examination, then it will happen. So it is not all about dreams, it's about action. In the real life, your dream doesn't really matter. Your actions matter. And if you don't do action, then believe me, my friend, you just be dreaming. You will be 60 years old, you will be 80 years old, you will be 40 years old, there will be nothing in your hand. If you work hard, whether you're in a job, whether you're in a business, whether you're in a family, wherever you are, if you work hard, nobody can stop you from progress. But if you just dream, I want Mercedes here, I want this thing or that thing, nothing going to happen, man. That is my commitment. That is a reality that I have seen in my life. Work hard, having no substitution. You have to work hard to make your dreams true. You want to make your dreams true? Work hard. I'm working hard right now. I'm 25 right now. Working hard on my dreams. Yeah, surely after 4 or 5 years, I'll be at the position where I'll be the top whenever I go. I'll be the top whenever meeting I'm going. I'll be the top wherever I'm going. The people would be around me and they want to learn something from me. And I will try to learn from the people who are just around me and